Alright guys, I'm sitting here at work on break. Been a while since I made a video for you. In the time I have made a video, I've managed to get a new car and a new head unit, new subs, quite a bit of stuff. My head unit is a Kenwood Exelon KDCX794, right there. Very good head unit, very impressed with it. My subs, as of right now, are in my back seat, just temporary. I just got this set up, so they are Fi SSD 15s in a really small box, way too small for the subs. So yeah, I'm going to play a little bit of song for you. I don't have my audio cue amp anymore. I'm going to get a 3500 audio cue, and until then I'm running AUtotek 1500. Yeah, I know, it sucks. So here we go.
Legacy. I was living with a when I see the say my name. Like I saw my fabric, where the haters down, hello, no, I don't give a F word about you. I do me, but alone, won't you go off the song? Get it, I don't even know, like, in my case, where I go, the only thing that I hear is.
Alright, that's about all I can play. I don't want to, get fired from work and everything. That song was Cricket by New Boys. Thanks, guys.